All right, everybody, good morning. Michael, the Mad Junk Man. We're taking out 2 trucks today. We got our 15-foot box truck, 16-foot dump trailer. Say good morning, Colton.
Morning.
Say good morning, Jake.
Hi.
That's not good morning, but...
Good morning.
All right, so we've got a more substantial job than we've had the last couple days. We've got a place in Manchester, New Hampshire, which is they call it the Queen City. Anyways, got a lot of moving parts to this one that we're doing. We've got donations, we got trash, and we got some things we just got to kind of move around in the house for them because they're staging it up to sell it. And that's that. So let's get going. We have this set up here with the dump trailer is going to be all the junk, obviously. Then we're going to have this truck set up here, ramp out, and that'll be for all the donations. So we'll have 2 things going on at the same time. We got nice access to the front door and a nice walkway. So we have finished taking everything out of the house for donation. This is a big old pile of it here. We filled up our dump trailer with a variety of things. He just added these Adirondack plastic chairs. We're gonna put a cover on that, right? And then the truck is full of donations. We should be able to get all of this left to fit into this truck here. So that's our job. So we are going to go to the dump and donation centers, come back for more, do more donations, and that should be the day. But we got some work to do. Hey, you guys excited?
What?
What's up with the attitude? All right, we just finished doing our first donation run for this big house here in Manchester, New Hampshire. We're going back for a second load. We got 1 truck out doing the actual dump of the junk, and we still have a lot of work to do. There's still more things left on this job. It's a good one. So after that, they only would take 3 items on this donation run. So we still have this dressers, some chairs to find a home for. If not, unfortunately, it's got to go to the transfer station. So stand by. So they took pretty much everything except for 3 pieces: a dresser, a chest, actually 2 pieces, just a dresser and a chest, and actually a small dresser also. Unfortunately, people don't understand that these donation centers have become more and more picky of what they take. Even though the
furniture that they didn't take. It's all nice furniture. You know, it's dovetailed drawers, high end, older, but definitely serviceable. But unfortunately, I gotta get rid of it. It's sad. I want to get someone that can use it, but I don't have the means to store these things for a long period of time. So, unfortunately, she got to go.
The Mad Junk Man, of course.